Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to easily join a Zoom meeting using the Zoom app on your Android phone. Whether you're joining a class, work call, or a virtual event, these simple steps will help you connect quickly and correctly. First, open the Zoom app on your Android phone. Next, at the top of the screen, tap the Join button. Now, enter the meeting ID you received from the meeting host. Below the meeting ID field, you will see two important options: Don't connect to audio and Turn off my video. Toggle these settings if you want to disable your microphone or camera before joining the meeting. Once you're ready, tap the Join Meeting button. If a passcode is required, enter it when prompted. That's all for today. Joining a Zoom meeting on Android is fast and simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.